Hello there and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day today. So today we're going to be doing a review of another Ucanbe eyeshadow palette. This is the Marvel palette. This is one of their 4 mini palettes that they just released. I've tried the swing palette, which I really liked. You've got 3 shimmer shades and then the other 6 are mattes. This is a pretty kind of neutral, kind of, I would say, everyday kind of palette by the looks of things, but you do have like 3 darker shades to kind of, you know, I was going to say beef up your look, but then I'm thinking, no, Anwen, because I'm a vegetarian, whenever I say beef, I feel bad. I've spoken about this before. We're going to corn up the look. This palette costs £3.74 from the Ucanbe official store, and you can buy Ucanbe from AliExpress or Amazon. As always, if you buy from AliExpress, you're probably going to be paying less for the palette, but delivery will take much longer, whereas with Amazon it'll be more expensive, but it will get to you quicker. So if you're an impatient person, I would probably recommend buying it from Amazon. So I'm going to go ahead, do some swatches, and then we're just going to go ahead. How many times can I go ahead? Just go ahead, Anwen, why not? I'm going to go, no, I shouldn't really say go ahead again. I'm going to proceed with an eye look of sorts. Ah, that looks beautiful. Oh, I've got to use that one today. It looks gorgeous. This is just like a, you know, like a bony kind of shade. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at the hat. Oh, yes, please. For me. Oh guys, I let the boys watch a Bretman Rock video because I think he's hilarious, and you know, when he does all these like little science experiments on Instagram, so I let the boys watch one. He does that thing, bitch, and I deeply regret showing it them, because now they keep saying bitch. I'm like, oh no. So I've told them that it's an in-joke between us 3, not to say that in front of daddy, or and definitely not at nursery or school, like seriously. Okay, so anyway, back to the swatches. Oh, beautiful. Oh, where are you? Oh, okay, kind of there, kind of not. Bretman the science bitch. Oh my gosh, like literally guys, like don't let your kids watch Bretman Rock. Just don't do it, guys. Ooh, look at these. Ah. Okay, so here we have all of the shades. I actually think they look really good. They feel super soft. The mattes are a tiny bit powdery, but I mean, they're a powder eyeshadow. So I am really feeling a super I'm feeling super like an otter. No, I'm feeling super optimistic after the swatches. So we are going to go ahead with the look, and I'm going to begin with this shade here, and I'm just going to use that to kind of set my concealer and just like pop it all over my eyes up to the eyebrow. By the way, I did get my eyebrows waxed the other day. Are you proud of me? So you may notice they're looking a lot neater at the moment and not so much neglected, which is great. That red shade kind of stained a little bit. Can you see it? He's hanging on for dear life. He said, no, I do not want to leave your arm. I'm staying for the day, maybe tomorrow. I don't know. Okay, so guys, oh, do you know what I've just realised? Look guys, I've got stickers on me. I actually put them on me yesterday, but like I'm wearing the same shirt because I'm just skanky like that. But I'm just going to leave them there, like, why not? You can't see them anyway, so they can stay. Okay, anyway, so yeah, I'm going to just get, so sorry guys, she's on one today. I'm going to get this bone shade. Yeah, so it's Sunday today. Oh shit. Sorry guys, oops, like Shania Twain, I mean. So my brush was dirty. No great surprise there. Let me just let me clean it quickly and we can proceed. Things Anwen should have done before filming. I mean, really guys. Yes, so it's Sunday today, and obviously yesterday was Saturday, as you probably would know, and I I just couldn't film. And it's literally the first Saturday in years that I've not filmed, because I tend to film at the weekend. So I'll film a video on Saturday, a video on Sunday. But I just couldn't film yesterday. I just was not feeling it at all, and I couldn't edit. I was just, you know, sometimes you just have like a day and you're just feeling like meh, and I don't know, I couldn't do it. So I'm so happy to be sat here today, but oh guys, like I was thinking, Anwen, what is wrong with you? Because you've had shingles and you've filmed. Do you know what I mean? So I was thinking, oh my gosh. But anyway, guys, I'm feeling a lot better today, you know, which is great. Do you like my new earrings as well? These are from H&M. Aren't they fantastic? I just love them. Anyway, oh, sorry, guys. You came here to see the palette. Okay. Okay, so we've applied the, like, bony shade to set the eyelids. And next, I think I'm going to go in with this shade here. It wasn't hugely, like, pigmented when I swatched it. So it will be interesting to see how it works, if it even shows up. I'm going to change my brush. Bredman the science bitch, 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 bitch. Okay, so like you kind of see him, but like he's not the cool tone brown that he looks in the pan at all. He's more like orange, not orange, but browny orange. Like this is not what I was expecting, really. Okay, do you know what? I'm gonna just go in with this beautiful kind of light pinky shade. I'm just gonna like tap it on. Blend that round this way like this. I mean, there we go. That's very nice. I like it. It's kind of like a more like a corally kind of shade, really, as opposed to just, you know, just like a pink, but it's kind of nice. Yeah, do you know what? I really like that. It's actually blended out beautifully, and it's just nicely pigmented. So yes, bitch, 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 bitch. You're gonna get so sick of that. But I've just got it in my head like bitch, 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 bitch. Bredman the science, bitch. I really like this shade here. It's kind of like a plummy aubergine kind of shade. So I'm going to go in with this. I'm going to pop it in my outer vagina there. And then I might pop a little bit in my inner vagina too. Just to, you know, try and do a halo eye, which I always fail at. But this girl's a trier. She's going to just keep trying until one day she'll get a somewhat acceptable halo eye. Okay, so we're going to just pop, 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 pop. Okay, I'm going to change my brush. Oh, okay. I feel like this is going to have to be built up quite a bit. Like, it's not hugely pigmented. I am just kind of patting it on. And as you can see, like, there's not much there. Like, it's just a little bit underpigmented. Okay, so there we go. Not bad, but it definitely is one of those, like, not very pigmented kind of shades that you do have to, like, really build up. But if you're willing to put in the effort and you've got time, then I think it's kind of beautiful. So I'm going to move into the inner vagina. What is the actual name of this? Because I know the outer V, obviously outer vagina, but what's the inner one? No one ever says, like, inner V, but really it is. It's the inner vagina. Like, that's its name. Right, okay, I'm going to have to be silent for this next bit. And now I'm going to take a little bit more and I'm just going to bring it all around the crease. There we go, there we go. I know it's looking shit right now, but hopefully I was going to say I promise, but I don't really want to promise. Like, I'm hoping, I'm just living on a wing and a prayer that it will look good after we've finished. So next I'm going to get a little bit of concealer, and I'm just going to create a little bit of like a, not even a cut crease, just a little area here in the middle. What do we call this? Middle crease? I don't know. I just don't know the name. Okay, so I've done something. I don't know what it is. It's not a cut crease. It's just like a middle vagina. No, it's not vagina. I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to use the lightest of the shimmers. This appeared to be like an icy pinky shade, which is my favourite. So I'm just taking that on this brush, which is slightly wet because I've just wiped it with my wet wipe. Just realised as well, we do have a mirror in this palette. I mean, why have I not been using it? It's a good mirror as well. Like, yes, well done. They've not just put like, you know, a half-assed mirror in there. It's actually a good one. Okay, so we are popping on the shimmer. That's looking very pretty. I'm going to get a little bit of my Pro Fix in on the action because I always do this. So I'm just going to spray a little bit onto my makeup table. I'm going to dip my brush in it, and then we will go back into the shimmer. This brush looks like it's been through hard times, doesn't it? I really need to like get some new makeup brushes, but I'm not sure which ones to get. Like, could you let me know in the comments which are your favourite brand of makeup brushes? Like, what would you recommend most to me? And thank you in advance. I feel like it's really important to have decent makeup brushes, you know. I think it can help you so much in your makeup game. So here we go. Kind of wishing that I'd made a smaller area, you know, to put my shimmer on. But this is where we're at. So I'm just going to have to like try and sort it out somehow. So I'm going to go in with this shade now, which is, it's kind of like a maroony shade. It's a little bit more red than this aubergine shade. So I'm going to go in with this. I'm going to just pop this in the outer vagina. Okay, so I'm going to go back into this pink matte. I'm just going to take a little bit on my brush and I'm going to just blend all around the edges. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to do the other eye and then I'll be back to give you my final thoughts on the palette. Okay, so I did just go away and I filmed another video. I am hustling today. So, yeah, that's why I've changed clothes and everything. And I've just tried out a foundation and cream contour. Anyway, so we are going to do the under eye now that I've done my foundation. Okay, so I'm going to grab my favourite under eye brush and we are going to go in with, I think we're going to go in with this shade, the kind of maroony kind of shade. And I'm going to just pop her all the way under my eye. I feel like I should tap a little bit. So next we're going to go back in with this light pink and I'm just going to use that just to blend out this under eye. I really like these eyeshadows, by the way, guys. I think they blend beautifully. I think these darker shades have a really good kind of pigment to them. I'm going super grunge today, guys. I just want the most. I want the look to be the most. Okay, so I have finished the look. I really, really like it. I really like the palette. I think it's super good. When you consider that this palette is £3.24, I think it's absolutely phenomenal. This is what I expect from Ucanbe. You may have seen my previous like review video on their Prism palette. Well, it's the Exotic palette, but it's by their sister company, Prism Makeup. That palette was awful. Like, it was really, really bad. But this is what I've come to expect from Ucanbe. I absolutely love the look. It's something different for me, but I'm loving like the plummy, smoky kind of vibes. I think that a lot of people would probably enjoy the shades in this palette. It is very warm. It's very kind of pink, and you've got these deeper shades, so you could go like super light and natural with this palette, or you could take it up a notch and be a little bit more dramatic. The eyeshadows are so easy to work with. As I did say, some of them, like the mattes, do need a little bit of work and you need to kind of build them up, but I mean, it's not a problem for me, especially when the palette's £3.24. I really recommend this palette. I think it's beautiful. I think you can see it's a beautiful, like, I'm not, by the way, not bigging myself up. I know that the look isn't perfect. I could have done better, but I think that when you look at the eyeshadow, you can see that it's there. It's pigmented. It's bold. Oh, also, guys, I did just want to mention as well, because I did the exotic palette review and I was a little bit nervous because it was one of the palettes that Ucanbe very kindly sent to me, so I was a little bit nervous because it was a pretty scathing review. As always, like, I can't not be honest. I will always be honest with you guys. But anyway, I was thinking, oh my gosh, I wonder what Ucanbe will say. Like, will they say anything? Will they ever speak to me again? I don't know. But I got an email from Alexandra, who is my contact at Ucanbe, and she just said, oh, I saw your review on the exotic palette. Haha. We just want honest reviews. I was like, yes, that's fucking amazing. Like, I was going to like take a screenshot and pop it on Instagram, but then I thought, well, I don't want to like be, is there a data protection issue there? I don't know. But yeah, she just said, you know, we just want honest reviews. And I was just like, excellent. Like, that's amazing. What a great brand they are. So yeah, once again, thank you so much to Ucanbe for sending me this palette. Also to the Ucanbe giveaway winners. I did post out the 4 parcels. It was, I think, on Wednesday last week or Thursday last week. It's Sunday today. So anyway, I'm hoping that they're going to be with you soon. There were three winners from America and 1 winner from Kent in England. So anyway, I hope that when you get your products, you will love them. I think that me and Ucanbe are going to be doing another giveaway soon as well. So keep your eyes peeled for that. But by the way, the light has just gone beautiful outside. Like, why could it not have done this like earlier? The light looks so good. Anyway, guys, I am going to go, but thank you so much for watching. I do apologise as well if I've been a little bit, like, I don't know, funny in this video. As I mentioned, I was just having like a really bad day yesterday. I don't feel like I'm fully feeling great today, but I really wanted to film, and it's definitely helped me just feel better. I don't know, just sitting in front of the cameras. So anyway, guys, I'm going to go. Thank you for sticking by me, and I will see you in the next video.